Meaning of exciting.
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 Exciting. Exciting means something that causes a strong emotional response, often characterized by anticipation or adrenaline. It can be used to describe experiences or events that are thrilling, stimulating, or contentiously interesting. The result of an exciting event is typically increased energy, focus, and enthusiasm from those involved. Excitement can arise from a variety of sources, including new opportunities, challenges, or accomplishments. Overall, excitement can bring a sense of vitality and joy to life, making it an important part of our emotional makeup.